Well, it's very big. You have a lot of exhibition here. You have a lot, and it's very transversal. So you have lectures about endodontics, digital dentistry. So I think that when you're a general dentist, you can find everything here. So I'm Guillaume Jouanny. I'm a dentist from Paris. I'm an endodontist, so I'm doing only root canals and endodontic microsurgery. And I work exclusively in dental practice in my office, and I lecture around the world and in France, giving lectures and hands-on about endodontics. So I have two lectures. I have one on the evolution of the concept of canal preparation, let's say anatomically driven endodontics, and the second one is about endodontic microsurgery and how far we can go in endodontic microsurgery and how it can help us to save teeth. No, it's my first time. It's my first time in the DentalWorld Congress. I've been to Budapest before, but never for this meeting, and it's a big meeting. Well, it's very big. You have a lot of exhibition here. You have a lot, and it's very transversal. So you have lectures about endodontics, digital dentistry. So I think that when you're a general dentist, you can find everything here. If you're interested in endodontics, you can go in endodontics, in pros, digital. So I think you can find everything. Budapest is a very nice city. I mean, I was there last month, and so I had time to visit, and it's historically it's very interesting, and you can have fun as well. So it's great. It's a great city. Well, if you want to come to a congress where you have a very nice city to visit and to have fun, and at the same time learn about everything, and you're a general dentist, you have international lectures, you have a lot of exhibitions, so you should come to the DentalWorld meeting.